Hello everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment. In today's segment, we will discuss about the trends in modern periodic table. As I have taught you that what is the modern periodic table, it is the systematic arrangement of the elements in the increasing order of their atomic number. And in this, there are 118 elements are arranged systematically. And with the help of this student, we can easily know the characteristics of the elements. Means the characteristics of the elements we can know with the help of observing the modern periodic table. So today we will discuss in detail about this. And first we will discuss about the valency, that how can we know the valency of the elements in the modern periodic table. So about the valency, student, first you should know about the valency, that what is the valency. Valency means the combining capacity of an element, and we can know it with the help of electronic configuration. Like there is one element that is known as sodium. What is it? It is sodium, student. Now what is the electronic configuration of sodium? It is 281. 281 is the electronic configuration of the sodium. So it is the electronic configuration, and with the help of this we can know the valency. So what is its valency? Valency means the electrons that are found in the outermost shell, and those electrons determine the valency. So what is the valency of the sodium? You can easily know it is 1. And this valency is changed element to element in the modern periodic table. And how can we know about it? Like in the group, student, in the group means from up to down. Like this is the group 1, this is group 2, this is group 3, this is group 4. Like this particular group that is found up to down in the group, the valency remains same. Means in the outermost shell the electrons numbers remain same, student, and with the help of that we can know the valency. So all the first group elements have the valency 1 and 2 have the 2. So what is the valency in the group? It remains same. Means the first group have the 1 valency, second group have the 2 valency. So like this they have the valency, and it is determined by the number of the electrons in the outermost shell, and in the group it remains same. Means the elements that are found in the group, they have the same valency. Same valency means they have the same combining capacity from which they can form the compounds. But there is one group that is known as 18th group, student, and 18th group elements have the 0 valency. Means they don't have the valency, their combining capacity is 0. So 18th group elements does not have the valency, means their valency is 0. Now we come on the next. In the group, if we speak about the atomic size, then the atomic size in the group, student, it is increases. It is increases. Means in the group, if we observe the first group, then if we observe the first group or the second group or the third group, then from up to down, the atomic size is increased. Why is it increased? Because the number of the cells are increased. Means when we come from up to down, like here is hydrogen, and after the hydrogen there is lithium, sodium, potassium, and their atomic size is increased when we observe them from up to down. Like this, their metallic characters means their electron losing capacity, it is also increased, means their electropositivity is increased when we come from up to down in the group, student. Like this, if we speak about the non-metallic characters, then their non-metallic characters are decreased, student. Their non-metallic characters are decreased, means their electronegativity, it is decreased when we observe them from up to down in the modern periodic table. So when we observe them from up to down, then their non-metallic characters are decreases. Next is period, student. Now we speak about the period. There are 7 periods. If we observe the elements according to their period, then their valency first increases. If we observe them like this, student, in the period, like the first period, second period, third period, fourth period, fifth period, sixth period, and seventh period, then their valency first increases till the middle, and after the middle it is decreases. Means their combining capacity is decreases, and it becomes zero. In which group, student, it becomes zero? When it comes to 18th group, means the period, if we observe them according to the period, then it becomes zero when it comes at the last in the 18th group. So first increases, then decreases valency, student. Like this, their atomic size is decreases, student. Why it is decreases? From left to right, it is decreases. Why? Because the number of the electrons are increased, and due to that the nuclear charge is increased, and due to that nuclear charge the force of attraction is increased. Due to increasing the force of attraction, the atomic size is decreased, student. Because the force of if we increase the number of the electron in the particular elements, means in the period, if the number of the electrons are increased, then what is increased? Nuclear charge increased, and due to increasing the nuclear charge, the force of attraction is also increased, and due to that increasing of the force of attraction, the atomic size is reduced, student. So we can say in the modern periodic table, the atomic size is decreased. Next is metallic character, student. If we speak about the metallic character, now what are the metallic character? Again, electron losing capacity of an element determines its metallic character. So in the metallic character, student, if the nuclear charge is increased, then their electron losing capacity is also decreased. So we can say that their metallic character is decreased from left to right, because the nuclear charge is increased, and due to the increasing of the nuclear charge, electrostatic force that is found in between them, it is also increased, and due to that force of attraction, the metallic character, means the electropositivity, is decreased in the period from left to right. Now we come on the next, it is non-metallic character. Now what is the non-metallic character? The character that determines electron gaining capacity means they accept the electron with the help of this character. So their electron gaining capacity is increased from left to right because they can accept the more electron due to increasing the nuclear charge. So their electron gaining capacity or electronegativity is increased from left to right. So it is about the trends in modern periodic table, student. First we have discussed about the valency. In the group it remains same, but in the period first it is increases till the middle and then it decreases. Atomic size first increases, means in this the atomic size increases due to the increasing the number of the cell, and their size it is decreases in the period. Why is it decreases? Because the nuclear charge is increased. Like this, metallic characters are the increases in the group, but in the period they are decreased, student. Next is non-metallic character. Non-metallic character in the group from up to down decreases, but in the period it is increased, student. So it is about the trends in the modern periodic table, and many times about these trends the questions are asked in the board exam. That's why you should try to improve this topic. Thank you very much and have a nice day.